And what's up, YouTube? Eugene. I'm kidding. But what's up, guys? You already know it's Xavier Cameron here, bringing you guys a TUT tutorial mode. Okay. So, today we're gonna be showing you how to put in drift mods to, of course, GTA, and how to burn GTA ISO. This will be a in-depth tutorial, the best I can do. So just follow my various steps. First off, I want to say if you have any problems with Xbox Backup Creator, make sure you guys contact me, and I will try to help you sort that out, and I will run command. If you have, where is it, TeamViewer, and you're having the problem, if you're having that problem with Xbox Backup Creator, download TeamViewer, tell me your ID and password, and I'll do it for you. Or I can always tell you, but it'll be harder that way. But either way. So, there's gonna be 5 things you're gonna want. First, your drift mods, your common, your DLC, your Xbox 360, RPF, RPF, RPF. They can have the name, Xbox 360, DLC, and common.rpf. They all have to have an RPF at the end. So, yeah. And there's a way that you can put in other mods that it could say motions RPF. I don't know how to really do those. You can still do them, but it's just for custom. So I found these on 7 cents. I'll put a link in the description. I'll try to put all the links that I can to everything that I can. Like, today I'm going to be burning Major Distribution V5, full Xbox 360 original. I'm not giving you guys a download to that, just because I really can't go into details about that. I'm trying to get this tutorial done pretty fast. You see, this is my first tutorial, really. Like, legitimate tutorial. So I hope I go good on this. But let's get right into it. So first you want to download these programs. I will try, like I said, to leave a download link to the programs. First you want to have Image Burner, Xbox Backup Creator, AGBX 360 GUI. These programs are for, first off, Image Burner, of course, to burn the disk. Xbox Backup Creator to put in the mods. And AGBX is to get the region and get all that working out. And I'll explain to you guys about the region and stuff like that. You must have a blank disk. The blank disk, a lot of people say you see in tutorials. I'm going to be honest with you. You can use a DVD plus R. But if it says RW, that means it's rewritable. So good. That's really good. So it can be 4.7 gig, 120 min, 1 minus 16 X speed. Or you can use what I will be trying to use, this is the best thing to use instead of a DVD-R if you don't have one of these. Verbatim, you can use this. I don't have a verbatim. You can use a verbatim, which is better, which is like the best. It's really good for burning. So, and then, or you can use, like I'm using right now, Memorex DVD RDL 8 times. It has to be 8.5 gigabytes and 240 minutes. Some minutes. So you're just gonna want to open these programs. See how fast I can open them. Just open them all basically at the same time as Image Burner. Open all of them. So first you're gonna want to start. I'm just gonna close them down. Okay. First you're gonna start out with this cool looking thing here. The cool icon. I will leave a download link to this. You're gonna follow me because I want to get this tutorial over with. We're already into 3 minutes on the tutorial, so I don't want to go over 15 minutes, which I only can do 15 minutes because I'm not premium. But whatever. You want to check what I check. This you must. Well, you don't have to, but it's best to either have one of these. But do not auto. If you put do not auto fix, you're kind of fucking screwed, because that means you're gonna get caught like almost like the first day that you start modding. So I suggest level 3 auto fix if stuff passes, but it fails verification. That means you'll be stealth patched. This is how you stealth patch it. So this is the most important part. You have to know what region you're from. You can see these state regions. Well, this one doesn't, and this one really does, but it doesn't. this one, United States. So I'm from the United States. I bought my Xbox 360 console in the United States. You're gonna check the United States. If you bought your Xbox console from Australia, New Zealand, Europe, Japan, or China, you're gonna check these. You can check both, but I just really haven't tried to experiment how that goes, how that works out. So yeah, kind of weird. But like I said, I'm from here. If you select other, that means I don't know what that means. I mean, like, I don't know. I really can't go into full details about that. But just hit OK. Another important part. So I think you just hit that. You forgot to choose the file for input. File folder. Today I'm gonna be messing around. Well, let me check something. You also will need uTorrent to download the torrent, which is utorrent.com. Pretty sure that's their website is. What I'll do is, because I'm not done completely, I'm going to pause the tutorial. Well, I'm gonna pause, and I'll be back in a second for you guys, but like 15 minutes for me. Because once this is done downloading, this is my game ISO. So because I have these ISOs, which I will provide you guys with this one, which is already seeding, but I'll still show you guys some other tutorials. But you get these two files. Sorry about the background, by the way, guys. It is my baby brother, and if you guys have a problem with that, I really don't care, honestly. But as I am not doing this because I've already messed around with this and I'm not sure on how everything will go, but I still will use this just for demonstration of something. So there we go. We just put the file in to users downloads ISO. You can also, if you just know how to do all just you know where your file is located on your computer, you just put C and you just put this and C user/test/downloads/GTA-ISO.iso and put that little sign there. And that will basically verify that, instead of picking it, but easier to that. And that's all. You can donate to PayPal if you want to help support the AGBX 360 development. You do not have to. You're not required. This program is free, but they ask for donations so they can, upgrade and get all that stuff. So I accidentally clicked it. You see right here, something went wrong. It's still gonna go, but you can see my 0 padded, everything like that. It's going through my stealth patching. It's going like that. But game appears to have a random padding. Checking default.xex original file, default_euro.xex, GTA IV, Rockstar North Games. It tells you the game. You may already know the game, but it says the publisher of the game, Rockstar. Developers, developers is Rockstar. Game name GTA IV. And kernel. That's the dashboard. The kernel. I'm gonna say it. And then original, all that stuff. But if you, sorry, I just accidentally did that. Sorry, guys. But you see that red? The region code 0x00FFFD00. If you get something like this that is red, that means something is going wrong with your video. Not your video. Your users download GTA IV. No, I'm saying that, but I'll just do that in a minute. Whatever. That means something's going wrong with your ISO, which is not good. That means either wherever you downloaded your ISO from is not your region. Alright, there's another way you can find out the region of this. So, and I will give a download to this one, which is not USA region. So I'll put so the NT, like I said, NTSC-U is USS. USA, sorry. But anything else is anywhere. So this would be this is how you find out. But this is gonna be real quick. So you just go into here, go to image tools, get region. You select your file. I'm going to go to downloads. GTA backup is getting ready. So that's just getting ready. You're gonna go here. It says your region right here. But this is that doesn't matter. But this is for Japan, rest of Asia, Australia, and rest of Europe. This is where that region's from. So if you in this region, like I said, you can use in Europe. I'm pretty sure. I don't know if it said that. Let's see. It's good in Europe. If you bought your console in Europe, there you go. See, it's green right there. You can't see it. It's up there. It's green. Region code. That means it's green. That means it's a good region. Otherwise, if the region is wrong and it's red and you still burn the disc, it will not work for your console. So it's good here. So far it's good with Europe, Australia / New Zealand. Let's see if it's good with I know it's good with Japan. It should be good with Japan. Let's see if it's good with China. Well, we do that again because I had multiple selects. It's good with Japan, like I said. Good. Let's see, it's good with China. Oh, nope, not good with China. So, if you're from Wanchengyan, not good. You can't use it. Not trying to be racist or something to say. And then it is good for other. So, once that is done, you're good to go. Close that. You're not gonna open up Xbox. You're gonna open up the Xbox Backup Creator. This is the most important part of putting in your mods whatsoever. Let's get right to it. First off, you want to make sure you select Get Region, and I will show you a SC/U region, which is United States region. This region free. That means it's United States. Now, once you go here, this is the most important part. Once again, you're gonna open the image file. You're gonna open up the file that it's openable for your game ISO. When I mean by game ISO, I don't mean the ISO disk, basically, like how do I get the ISO files? No, it's the game, basically. You have your common, and this is where you replace your things here. 1 second, guys. Alright, so got 3 minutes. But you replace this. I'm not gonna replace it. So I don't mess up anything yet. So you're just gonna replace it with your common RPF here. And yeah, you'll replace it. You replace that, and then you would go to your DLC.rpf. That too. I'm not sure. You can go to either one. I'm pretty sure you would go to 1. So then you just replace it. And then you would go to your DLC2. You would open that with this button. You would open this DLC. You would open the common, open the data, go to images thing. Then this is where you replace your mods. You must have this in your mods to place the mods. If you're going to be using your mods online, you want to replace the script network. If you're going to be using your mods offline, all you need to put in is your script. If you put in both, you can use them in both places, but I can't really tell you guys like how to use them and stuff like that because I'm not that positive. But you would just go to wherever you have your things stored. I would be going to tbogt and I will replace the script network. And then once you've done that, you can just go ahead and close this. This is where this is the good part. You're gonna open up Image Runner, write image file to disk, and a place in your disk. You're gonna make sure verify mode and test mode are off. Then this is where you're gonna browse for a file. I will select the file, but I'm not gonna burn it. You select your file. Your file is selected. If something like this happens, that means it's not a DVD file or something's wrong. That means you need to go find a new mods or just, I don't know. You place in your disk, it would say write, you just hit that, it will start running, and then once it goes to 100, you're good. You would also go to 4x, and I'm pretty sure, let me see here. But yeah, I'll be